Hi, this is Richie Rivero, one of the shooting guards of DLSU Green Archers. Handa na akong sagutin ang top 5 questions. Roger Federer, tennis. Kasi hobby ng dad ko mag-tennis before. So, every time sumasama ako, parang gusto ko siya i-try. Green defenders, gano'n. Kasi, wala kami ibang ginawa talaga sa training aside from defense. And dun talaga manggagaling yung offense namin. Steph Curry. Actually, I played with them now, with both of them before. Pero I admire talaga yung God-fearing ni Steph. So parang gusto ko siya makasama in person. Super excitement, sobrang dami excitement kasi andyan yung mga seniors ko and andyan yung brother ko na palaging nagsasabi ng yung past experiences nila, so hindi na namin magagawa ulit for the betterment of ourselves siguro. Just be yourself and simple. Thank you for the questions, guys. Keep supporting DLSU Green Archers and see you sa games.